Hello everyone, I'm Frank and welcome to Frank Puzzles, and this is today's easy level puzzle. And take that easiness with a grain of salt because it's considered easy by the people on the Logic Masters Germany forum, and there's a lot of really smart people there, and also sometimes people misjudge things. I just did today's very easy puzzle, and it's not very easy, so I don't know where they got that. So as I always, take their ratings with a grain of salt because sometimes they might badly misjudge the easiness of certain puzzles. Anyways, today's puzzle is called Colorado 17 by Florian Vortman. And here are the rules. We have normal Sudoku rules apply, which means in every cell in the grid, place a single digit such that every row, column, and designated 9-cell region contains the digits 1 through 9 exactly once each. We have digits joined by an x summed to 10 and digits joined by a v summed to 5. And all possible x's and v's are given. So there is a negative constraint in place. So say we had a 7 here, or this can't be 7. Say we had a 3 here. This digit would have to be 7 to add up to 10 with it, and this digit would have to be 2 to add up with the 3 to add up to 5. Because there's an x between these two cells, and there's a v between these two cells. However, say we had a 3 here. There could not be a 2 or 7 that shares an edge with that 3. Because if there was a 2 or 7 that shared an edge with a 3, there would have to have an x or a v between them. And the problem is there is no x or v that's given between these cells, and we are noted that all possible x's and v's are given. So this is not, we have the negative constraint in place. So this could not be 7 or 2 surrounding this cell if this were a 3, because there are no x's or v's around them, and all possible x's and v's are given. Finally, we have the 2-digit number in the cage, read from left to right, is a perfect square. So that means whatever 2-digit number here, that's represented by this as a tens digit, this as the ones digit, has to be a perfect square, which means it's a single number multiplied by itself. So it could be 16, 25, 36, 49, 64, or 81 here. We don't know what the number in this cage is. And those are all the rules. If you'd like to play along, there's going to be a link in the description. And now, I'm going to get started. Let's go. Okay. Couple of things. Let's start by marking all the 10s in column 5. This must be a 10. This is a different 10. We have a different 10 here. And this must be a different 10, which means these all add up to 40, which means the remaining digit in this box is a 5. Now, this adds up to 10 with another digit here, and it has to be pink, a low medium, or a low yellow. And so first of all, in box 2 and in box 8, these all must be low. So maybe we just don't color these. We know this has to be a 5 because the rest of the digits in the column add up to 40, and 45 minus 40 is a 5. These are all low digits here, which eliminates high digits in the rest of the box. This is a medium. These then all have to be high digits here. And this has to be a high digit here. This must be a high digit also. This must be a high digit because 5 can never be next to an x. Because if 5 were next to an x, it adds up with only itself, 5, to add up to 10. And 5 can't be next to any v's either, because 5 and 0 add up to 5. You can't have repeats in the row or column, so that's why 5 can't add up to 5 to add. So therefore 5 can't be next to an x. These are low, so this must be high here. This is high, so this must be low, which makes this a high digit. So these digits are the same. This is a low-high pair. These are all low. This is a high to add up to 10. These are low. These two digits cannot be the same as this pair here, adding up to 5. So let's mark all the lows as 1 through 4. And then let's mark all the highs as 6 through 9. And then this could also be 5 here. So then let's remove coloring. So that let's do the coloring that we did earlier. So we have yellow, we'll make this medium, we'll make this pink, we'll make this orange. These two digits add up to 5, and neither of them can be here, which means this cannot be the same pair as this. Which means, so this has to be this pair here. Then where are they in column 5? They have to be the pink and medium lows here. So this is pink and medium low. This orange then must be with the yellow to add up to 5, because this pair can't add up to the same as this. Therefore, that makes this orange low. This is orange high here. So we have medium low here. This is medium low here, or medium high here. That means medium high has to be one of these two. Yellow high has to be one of these two, because there would have to be an X here if this was yellow high. So this is pink or medium high here. And then one of these is yellow. This could be pink or medium. This can't be medium high, so medium high is one of those two. We have pink already accounted for in box 5, and dark already accounted for in box, or medium accounted for in box 5. Therefore, this digit here cannot be a 5, it's next to an X. And it has to be an orange or a yellow cell. So the low here has to be orange or yellow, which means this has to be a pink medium pair for low digits. That means this is pink or medium, this must be the high, and this must be the low pink. Orange high cannot be either of these. Where is the orange high in this box? It must be here. So that's orange high, which means this can't be 5. So where is the 5 in box 8? It's there. That means this must be the pink high here. And since this is pink high, this is pink low here. Which means this can't be pink low. This is medium low. This can't be medium low. It's pink low. This can't be orange or yellow as a pair, so this is pink and medium. We have low pink here, low pink here, low pink here. This is pink and medium lows. We don't know which one's which. This can't be medium low because that would then add up to 10 with... That would have to have an X in between. So no medium, that's pink. No pink, that's medium. Okay. These cannot be pink lows. They also can't be orange, yellow, or medium lows. So these can't be lows. So these are 5, with 6, 7, 8, or 9 there. This can't be orange high but it can't be low yellow. That's interesting. So we have all the pink lows here. Where is pink low and medium low in row 3? Cannot be here because of the pink medium pairs in those boxes. And it cannot be here. If we have one here, the other one has to be next to it, and there has to be a V between them. But there can't be. So this must be the pink and medium lows for row 3, because they can't appear anywhere else in row 3 in boxes 1 and 2 because of the pink medium pairs there. Interesting. Medium or low pink has to be one of those 3. 5 cannot be here. We are missing a low, which is yellow, and we're missing a high. This is pink high, so this can't be pink high here. It's yellow high. No yellow high here. This becomes pink and medium as a pair for high. So what we're left here with is yellow low and orange high. But that doesn't tell us much. We know if 5 has to be one of these two, but we don't know which. This cannot be low, medium, low. If it's medium low, this is pink low, and they would have to have a 5 in between them. Same for this. This cannot be medium low, so this must be medium low here, because there's no other place for it in row 4. None of these could be medium low because of medium lows in the boxes. And again, if either of these are medium low, the other one would have to be a pink low, and they would have to have a V in between. So this must be medium low here. This is medium high. This cannot be pink, and it cannot be medium. So this is a yellow or orange pair here, adding up to 10. So where is 5 in row 5? All of these are next to X's, except for this one, and we know 5 has to be there. So therefore, 5 has to be here, though, in row 5. We don't know which pair these are. So this cannot be the same, or has to be the same set as that. We don't know which one that is, though. 5 eliminates 5 here. It's a 6, 7, 8, or 9. What are the possibilities for the perfect square? It's either 1, 6, 2, 5, 36, 49, 64, or 81. Okay. So you always have one low digit here, right? It's 1, 6, 2, 5, 36, 49, 6, 4, and 81. Yeah, there's always going to be one low digit here, interestingly enough. So this is pink or medium, we don't know. This can't be pink or medium. This has to be, so this is orange or yellow as a pair, and it cannot be the same pair as this, which means it's the same pair as this. Let's make the oranges actually blues, but this one will make specifically orange. So this is an orange-orange pair. This can't be orange either way, which means this must be orange there. This will make green, which means this is a green pair here. This can't be green. This is orange there. This cannot be yellow. If this were yellow, it would have to be yellow low, and this would have to have an X in between. So this has to be blue. And this must be, the greens have to be yellow. And this is yellow low. This is blue high. This must then be blue low, which makes this blue high here. Yellow low means this is not yellow low, it's yellow high. That's yellow low there. We don't know which one's here. One of these is yellow, but we don't know which. It's a yellow high also. These can't be pink, it can't be medium. So this is yellow or blue again. Adding up to 10. No pink here because of pinks in the row. So pink low has to be one of these two. If pink low were here, that would add up to 5 with this medium low. And that's not possible. And this can't be medium low or pink low because there's no V there. This can't be pink low because that would be pink high here. And we already have a pink high in the row. So this is pink low here. Okay. Pink high cannot be here, cannot be either of these. So where's pink high in box 9? It has to be here. That means pink high has to be one of these two. We don't know which. This cannot be any low digit. It has to be a high digit, which makes this a low digit here. Can't be yellow. Can't be blue because this is a blue-blue pair here. So this must be medium. So we have medium that way. That means this can't be medium low. It's pink low. Pink low eliminates pink low here, so that's medium there. Medium low cannot be here. It has to be one of these two. Whichever pair of digits this is not, this has to be here. But they can't be next to each other because then they would have an X next to each other because they add up to 10. So this has to be separated. So this is blue, yellow as a pair. We don't know which one. And it's separated by the low 1 through 4. Okay. We don't know about this. We have just 5 through 9 remaining in this row. We have yellow high and pink high. Pink high is one of those two. Yellow high can be here or here. We don't know which. Okay. These two add up to 10. There's no pink involved. There's no medium. There's no blue. This must be yellow as a pair then. Which means this can't be yellow high because of yellow high in the row. So this is yellow low. This is yellow high there. This cannot be... This can't be both blues. It's only one of the blues. This can't be either blue, I should say. So the other blue cannot be here because that sees both of these blues, which means this must... the remaining blues in column 2 can only be here and here. And this can't be blue because... Right, this can't be a blue-blue pair. So this is yellow-yellow, which eliminates yellow-yellow, and the rest of this is blue-blue. So this can't be high yellow, which means this has to be high yellow here. That's the only place for it in row 8. Therefore, this can't be pink. It's a 5. This is pink high here. This has to be blue low here because of the blue high in the box. So this is blue high there, blue low there. This can't be yellow low because that would add up to 5 with the blue low. So this must be yellow high, yellow low. This has to be medium high. Okay, remaining digit of row 9. We're looking for a low yellow. Cannot be here because this would add up to 10. So low yellow has to be here. That leaves just a 5 remaining in the box. Okay. So this cannot be low pink, low yellow, or low medium. This can't be high blue because of high blue in the box, so this must be high blue here. We have just a low remaining in column 1, and it has to be yellow low. Remaining digit of column 2 is a high pink or medium. Cannot be pink because this would have to add up to 10 and have to have an X in between. So that's medium, which eliminates medium here. That's pink and pink. Pink eliminates pink low there. This can't be pink low either, so it's medium low. No medium pink low there. We don't know about these. Remaining digits of... So we have, these are both high, and this cannot be yellow high, because this would add up to 10, and have to have an X between them. So this is pink high, this is yellow high. Yellow high cannot be here anymore. Where is yellow high in box 5? It must be here. So this cannot be 5. This is 6, 7, 8, 9, and this is a 5 there. This cannot be medium high, because then this would add up to 10 with that low high. Sorry, low medium. Medium low, whatever. This is pink low then. No pink, sorry, pink high there. This is not pink low. Do we ever have 2 lows here? I think the answer to that is probably no, right? 16, 25. It could be 25, so we don't have to have a high. We do have to have a low here, though. And it's either... Oh, this blue-blue pair means this can't be blue low. Interesting. This can't be 5. We already have high blue, all the yellows, all the pinks, and the okay, this can't be medium high because of the medium high in the column. So where's the medium high? It must be here, which means this must be blue low here remaining. Oops, in row 3. That eliminates lows in column 8. So this can't be low, it's high. No low here. This has to, again, one of these digits is going to have to be a low. So it has to be that one, which is the yellow low. So yellow low is here. We have a blue low remaining in box 1, cannot be here because of the blue low in the row. So it has to be there, which means this has to be 5. Okay, remaining digits of row 4, we have a low blue, which cannot be here because of low blue in the column. So it has to be there. And then high pink. Okay, remaining digits of column 9. We have 5 cannot be here, so 5 has to be there. Which means the remaining... So this cannot be 5. Okay. This cannot be a yellow high. Remaining digit here is what? A pink high, I believe. Remaining digit in column 9 is a high digit, and it's blue high. So pink high has to be 6 or 9. That's 6, cannot be 25, so this cannot, yellow cannot be 2. 16, 36, or 49 works. But So pink has to be 1 or 4. So that means all the pinks, all the high pinks are 6 and 9. All the low pinks are 1 and 4, which means all the medium lows are 1 and 4. All the medium highs are 6 and 9. Which means yellow low has to be 3. Let's fill out the rest of this. Remaining digits in row 1, we have a medium high. Cannot be here, so it must be here. So this is medium high. Remaining digit here is yellow high, then. Which has to be 7 or 8, and actually it's 7, I believe, right? Remaining digit in column 7 is we have a low yellow there. This has to be then high, no, low pink. That's low pink here, which means this has to be a 5, right? Yeah. Okay, so low yellows have to be 3. Because that's the only one that matches here. Can't be 1 or 4. Oops. Move the 6, 7, 8, 9. So these are all 3. We can remove that. So all the high yellows are 7. The low blues are 2. And the high blues are 8. And it's 36 as a perfect number, so the high pinks are 6. We can remove the colorings. The low pinks are 4. The high mediums are 9. And the low mediums are 1. Very cool. I love these type of coloring puzzles. And it worked out very well. There was a lot of, and the negative constraints worked really well together. So it was fairly, I feel like it was pretty easy, but not obviously very easy to do this. This is not something that you can just pick up on if you've never done very many Sudoku variants before. But I love coloring puzzles, so this was very cool coloring my way through this. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this solve, and I'll see you next time on Frank Puzzles. Take care.